everyone, so I wanted to share this Pixi Beauty collection. It's this really cute little case that they sent, and I love the detail of the zipper, and it's got two zippers on either side. Not sure if this is going to be for sale or not, this exact bag, but it's really nice. And then on the inside it has like the little card, and you've got, it's like the whole Rose Infused Skintreats routine collection, and it's got like a little note and like a little compartment here, and then two compartments. So each compartment, this one has the Rose Glow Mist, which is really cool looking. This stuff, like, I haven't used this actually yet, but this Rose Flash Bomb, this is amazing. If you have not tried this, go to Target or go to pixibeauty.com and try it out. I have really sensitive combination, more in the oily, acne prone skin, and this is incredible. It's one of the only moisturizers I can use on my face that does not break me out. And I use it morning and night. This I've tried. It wasn't really for my skin, but it does smell really nice. Then the Rose Oil Blend, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm sure it smells incredible. Oh my goodness, one-handed, it doesn't work. This is the Makeup Fixing Mist. This stuff is awesome. This actually works really well. I use it as a setting spray, like when I'm not feeling some of my, you know, go-to setting sprays. This is a really great one. And then in the top here, we've got 4 other products. This stuff is awesome. This is the Rose Cream Cleanser. It's really gentle. I actually really like using this in the nighttime. It calms my skin down, and it just, I have some hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, and this really helps to calm it down. It's really, really nice. It smells really good too. This I haven't tried yet. It's the Rose Ceramide Cream, but I'm actually excited to try this. It is an intensive moisturizer, so something like this I would use at night before bed, because otherwise it would be too oily on my skin during the day. This is the Rose Tonic. I knew just from the back of it. This is one of my toners that is in constant rotation. I use this or the Pixi Glow Tonic or the Tatcha Essence, which is like a skin rejuvenating tonic. This is incredible. I love using this at night, and I use the Glow Tonic in the mornings. And then the last product that they sent over, so I'm really excited to try, are the Pixi Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths with chamomile and rose. Everyone's always looking for a really good makeup cleansing cloth, you know? Like sometimes when you don't want to use an actual makeup remover, it's nice to have a cleansing cloth. So I'm really excited to try all these out. So some of my favorites, I'll put them, the ones that I've actually used or that I do use all the time. These are my favorites, like 100% my favorites. And if you have not tried these, go to the website or go to your local Target, check them out. They are incredible, and they're not that expensive. I mean, for drugstore brand, it is a little pricey, but it's totally worth it. And then these are the products that I'm actually really excited to give a try to. I can't wait to try this Rose Oil Blend. Probably smells really good. Try that at night. I always do like the super intensive, nourishing face oils and stuff like that at nighttime. And then this is the Rose Caviar Essence, which I'm actually going to put this and some retinol tonic and a few other things in a giveaway that I will be posting on my Instagram. So yeah, I really want to thank Pixi for sending over these awesome Rose Infused Skintreats in this adorable little bag. Super cute. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little, I guess, quote-unquote unboxing kind of review. I hope to be posting some more on this channel, but stay tuned to my Instagram, which is @KierSparkles, and DM me or leave a comment if you have any questions or want to say hi or whatever. I hope you have an awesome day.